internet for free. 144. But when you create those 144 pieces of content, we're going to talk about something very important people call SEO. Repeat after me. SEO. Again, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. That's the baby brother of artificial intelligence, AI. That's the bots who's working behind Google who pull information from the front. And so when you do that, you trigger the SEO optimization of Google. And then every time you post that piece of content, you send them to your website where you offer something, a product or service, when you gather data. So that backlink is going to be here, and now your name or the name of your company is going to be listed on Google. That's how clients find you, because you don't want to find a client. You want client who needs you to find you. Let me repeat that. You want clients who needs you to find you. If now that I know Giselle, we got a hair shop here. If let's say I'm traveling. I'm here. I was supposed to go to to LA, and they say you cannot go to LA, and or I have to go to LA, and it's Tuesday, and I have an event in LA. But my wife needs to have a sew-in so bad, so I need to put my phone. I say, okay, what is the best sewing in Houston? When I type that, now Giselle, you need to create a video just like that. What is the best sewing in Houston? And you put after official video. So now, I don't know her, but I need her. Do you know how many women right now who are sad, who are looking for somebody to do their hair right now on a Friday night? Something happened. The hairstylist and stuff, they're looking for somebody right now. Somebody is open. Oh my God, it's 9 o'clock. I'll be waiting tomorrow at 3. My life is over. My life is over. But you're gonna find online. I'll give you an example. Like, for some reason you open from 9 to 2. People go rest, and they open from 9 to 1 o'clock in the morning. So if you are the only shop in Houston open on Friday night for people who got emergency from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m., do you need to pray in tongues